Okay, team. Hey, here we are. And this video is to help you write equations for your perfectly horizontal lines and your perfectly vertical lines. So let's say I want a perfectly flat or horizontal line right here. Well, the slope is 0. It doesn't actually have a slope. All it really has is a y-intercept. It crosses the y-axis at 3. So I could just write the equation y equals 3. Boom, there's my line. Now, let's say I wanted that perfectly flat line somewhere else. Let's say I want it down here. Well, that's fine. I'm just going to change it to y equals -2, and it drops down there. So there's not a lot to writing equations for your perfectly flat lines. Same with a vertical line. Let's say I want a line right here at this spot right there. Well, its slope is undefined, and it doesn't have a y-intercept either if it's perfectly up and down. All it has is an x-intercept. So to write that equation, I'm just going to say x equals 3. That's going to put a line right there. Now let's say I want it to cross at 5. Well, then I'm just going to say x equals 5. I can write an equation. It's barely an equation. It's just an x. It's just an x value. It hardly counts as an equation, but it is. But that's how I write my perfectly vertical lines. Let's look at one more. How about I put it right here? How about I write that line? That's just x equals -5. Okay, team, that's it. That's your perfectly horizontal and your perfectly vertical lines. Thanks for playing.